Hi friends, this is Miss Consuelo and Sophia. Remember we were talking about bubbles yesterday? So today let's just make some bubbles. I'm gonna tell you what we need. We need warm water. You can just put the sink kind of warm, the water sink, and we put 4 cups. We already have 2 cups and we have 2 more.
Don't forget to ask a parent for permission first.
That's right. And we're gonna need dish soap. Any dish soap, it doesn't matter. What kind? It could be even shampoo that, maybe cheap shampoo, 99 cents. Some sugar, and that's all. We need a bowl. Of course, for the ingredients, it would be just sugar, water, and soap. And we have a whisk to whisk it and a measuring cup. So like I said, we need 4 cups of water, warm water, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of soap. So we're gonna do it really fast so we can get to do bubbles. So I already have 2 cups. We're gonna do 2 more cups, and then we're gonna get some sugar out, and we're gonna pour it in our little half a cup. Oh, this is too heavy for me, my little hand. It's gonna be heavy for you guys. Maybe your parents can pour the sugar and you can hold the cup, right, Sophia? Did you want to put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna whisk it so all the sugar disappears. Let's see, so you can see what we're doing. All the sugar has to disappear. Yeah. Show them, Sophie. There we go. The sugar's gonna disappear. And now we're gonna pour our half a cup.
It's gonna be like salt and salt water, but it's sugar.
It's sugar water, huh? We're gonna put the half cup of soap. Yay! Any soap.
There's some sugar at the bottom.
Yeah, it's okay. If you leave it overnight, it actually works a little better because it sits in the sugar and in the soap, so it helps it much better. Okay.
The water is tinted blue.
It's tinted blue. You want to see the water? Ooh, look at that. We're outside in our backyard. It's such a nice, sunny day, huh, honey bunny? So, Sophia chose to have her little wand. Show him your little wand. It's a bubble machine. Try it and see if that works. Try it. Woo! Not on the computer, please. This is from my juice, where we have the juices. There's 2 juices that come in here, and I said maybe we can try that one. Did it work?
Oh my God! There was a huge bubble, Mother.
Oh, see, that works. Ooh,
That one
maybe
makes huge
if you
bubbles.
have straws, we can put the straw right there, maybe in our solution, and see, it might work. It does work. Or we can have a few of the straws. Hold on, Sophia, hold on. And you want to hold it for me? You want to hold the straws?
It floats.
Yeah.
Mama, look, this floats.
Yes. Can you hold it for me?
Yeah.
It does float. We're gonna put tape. Okay. And you're gonna put them in there. And I'll blow bubbles. Do a bubble machine. Put it in the. Let's see. Because you need to put it in like this.
Whoa!
See, it does work.
Look at this.
You create a bubble machine. And if you just have a pencil and a little piece of wire, this is a big piece of wire, you can make a big bubble.
Ah, it broke. Now it's squirrel. No.
Oh, you wet that? Did you wet the plastic? I mean the... if it comes apart, we can use more tape, or you can just use your hand, huh? Look, this is a wire.
Ooh, a blue one.
This one your parents can do with you because it could be a little pokey. And we can try that one. Let's see. Ooh.
That one doesn't want to.
It doesn't want to work, huh? Oh, because we have too many things in here, so it needs more space. Remember, take turns. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Oh, it came apart. Usually, it works better if we have it overnight, huh? But if it doesn't work, you know what works. And you might try it tomorrow, and you might work tomorrow. So, let's remember to do it towards the back. There we go. And if none of that works, let's try and see if it works with our hands. We can try our hands. Ooh. You see that? Ooh.
Bubble party!
Ah! You're getting me wet, Sophie.
Yeah.
We're making bubbles even with our hands. And that means our hands will get washed as well. Okay, friends, we'll see you tomorrow. I hope you have fun with the bubbles. Like I said,
Has fun bubble that.
yeah, 4 cups of warm water, half a cup of dish soap or
Oh,
shampoo,
this works.
and half a cup of sugar. Bye, friends. Bye.